Yeah, the people that designed the park didn't actually come and take a look at the land.
No.
And didn't realize that it's on like a fucking 9-foot hill.
What was it, AI?
Yeah. Yeah, so yeah. No,
Was it really?
Yeah, no, I don't know, but they didn't come to fucking actually look at the land, and they just took pictures off of like Google.
Right.
Thought the land was flat. And fucking...
No depth perception, two-dimensional.
So yeah, like this is fucked. Anyway.
Get
so
some.
I'm gonna fill like pretty much 4 or 5 inches of gravel everywhere.
All right.
But we're gonna try to like. So hey, this area we're putting a channel, right? Are you gonna film it?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, right on. And yeah, right here is like a channel, so we gotta level out this area like good. So yeah, we're gonna spread gravel all through like, you know, get it in the fucking the spots here in this channel where the wood pipe is. But
These are all holes?
yeah, these are all pile holes.
All right, so where do you want me to, I'm gonna start back here, right? Or like where, well, we usually start at the back and then work our way forward.
Work our way up. Yeah, okay, sure.
So what do you want?
We can get this all leveled out, and then maybe we'll just put like a big pile like in the back. Because once we're done with this, then we'll put the gravel in here. Because we're like, I kind of don't want the gravel around.
No,
the
yeah,
holes,
no, I know. Well, it's if you want me to hit there, it's gonna hit some of these, right? You'll see.
Yeah,
You'll see.
yeah,
I'll try to. We'll figure it out. Even if it's over here, you got the machines,
yeah,
right?
sure, we got the machine. We just push it. So
yeah, you'll see. You'll see how it comes off the belt. It's not.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not.
So this area is the most part that we need to be like leveled with the gravels.
Yeah.
Like I mean, obviously we're gonna level.
Yeah.
It, but,
I don't
want
I can make it level.
I don't want a big.
So where do you want me to start, and what do you want?
Fuck, this area kind of has to be dug out still. Right, Dan? This area is all high, right?
I'm in no rush. If you guys got to do some shit before I get started, I was supposed to be here for a bit anyways, so.
Oh, okay. He's saying, well, we're gonna start in the back, right? But this area is kind of high still, though, right?
Yeah, but I thought we were just gonna put this dirt up.
Just
Yeah,
fuck
gravel,
it. Okay.
so.
Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we'll start back here, kind of. Maybe we'll maybe we should clean up like right there for now. We'll just use gravel as a ramp.
If you wanna like dig it out,
Yeah, just a little bit, just to clean it up.
because we're just gonna have to do the same thing again when I get the switch in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fuck it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Fuck it. All right. Yeah. Whatever. We'll just
This
start back
entrance
here.
is gonna be like the last part we fix, and then,
Yeah, that's true.
or at least when we drive this each one.
All right, maybe we'll just put a big fucking pile of gravel right here then, and then we can at least push it with the machine and whatever.
So start with a pile here, and you guys can push it.
Start a big pile, and then.
But then eventually, once I get out here, what do you want? You want like 6 inches on top of all this, the whole thing,
Yeah.
and like the big O, obviously,
Yeah, big O too. That's gonna eat up a lot of gravel.
and right to the bank,
Yeah,
like right to the
bank.
berm or whatever.
Yeah, right to the berm. Yeah.
6 inches on top of the whole thing.
Yeah, pretty much.
With
Well,
a pile
5,
there.
6 inches.
Yeah. All right, we'll level up. All right, okay. No, I just didn't know. I don't.
Yeah,
I didn't know if you had to cover the big O first, and then if I can get it inspected, all that shit.
No, it doesn't have to be inspected. It's
What is it gonna be?
a playground, not a playground. They're kind of like that stuff over there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly like that. This
Right
one's
on.
like a jungle gym or whatever, and then there's like a big thing with stairs and a fucking slide. And
Okay.
a couple slides.
6 inches of gravel everywhere.
Maybe not 6, but yeah, I don't know. They were just 5, whatever. like move that pile into that corner. And
Just based on the drawing, the area of the sea channel
it's like this one right here.
like it'll be a lot. It'll be a big area.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want a pile somewhere?
Well, I think that pile is probably.
I think that's good enough. Yeah. I think that's good enough for what you guys do.
You want me to take this back and reweigh it?
Yeah, I don't know what you think, Dan, or should we just like leave some in the like the back corner there in case we need it? And we just scoop
That's
it
not
up.
a bad idea, yeah.
Yeah, it's always here, right? There's
Yeah.
no point.
Because we got the machines.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can just take a scoop if we need more. So yeah,
Leave it right where that truck.
Yeah, like there's a back corner, like kind of next to where those concrete blocks are, blocking the fence back there.
Yeah.
We dumped some gravel there like last
Okay.
year when we were doing these ones.
Okay.
So yeah, you can just add it to that if you want. Yeah, that'll be fun.
Behind that white van on the left side? On the left
like
side?
on
Okay, I'll see it.
The south side of the parking lot. Yeah. Yeah.
All right,
Just
I'll
like,
see it.
Like right directly in that corner.
Okay.
See, it's like there shouldn't be anyone parked.
Time lapse. I hope that was on time lapse. Frig, maybe it wasn't. Just gonna dump the rest up in that back corner.
Yeah, that works.
Okay. You want it on that side or that side? So you want it there or over there? Over there. I couldn't see. I thought that was a little bit of gravel there.
Pile there already.
That's what yeah, he was saying there's a pile. Perfect. All right, okay.
Anywhere in there.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, man.